Hello guys, so today we're going to learn how to manage your storefront settings on YAYSHOP app. After opening the YAYSHOP app, you go to settings and you open the storefront settings page. From storefront settings page, you'll have a lot of nice options to change the very core aspects of your storefront. For example, your web address, logo, etc. Store link is the web address on which your store will be present. If you want to change it, you can change and edit it and click on update. For making a brand out of a business, it is crucial to have a logo. So make sure that you add a logo by clicking on edit and updating it. Similarly, add some description about your company in your About Us page. Whatever terms and conditions are of your business, you can mention in this part and they'll be featured on your website. To avoid any confusion in customers regarding the refund policy, you should mention what the refund policy is. You can also mention what are your checkout instructions. So checkout instructions are basically some sort of a message that the customer will receive on the order page. I have mentioned this as my checkout instruction because the most recent returns that I'm getting are because of the variant issue. In storefront settings, you can also change what your sharing language is going to be. I have explained what sharing language is and its use as a tool in our how to promote video, so do check it out. Finally, in this page, you can also mention what are the different ways in which you can connect with the customers. So you can let them contact you through WhatsApp, you can give them the Telegram link, you can connect your social accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter only by clicking the edit button and mentioning the appropriate link. In today's video, we have learned in detail how to use the storefront settings in the YAYSHOP app. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you. And if you haven't already, do give a great review of YAYSHOP on Play Store app. Bye bye.